Welcome back to cooking every single recipe in the official Fallout cookbook. Today we're making hermit crab stuffed cave mushrooms. Don't forget to subscribe and vote for what to make next in the comments below. And sorry this video is so late. This week has been very busy and hectic, but I got it. I squeezed one in there. Anyway, to start off this recipe, you're going to grab 20 large baby portobello mushrooms, and you're going to stem them, and you're going to put them all on a small baking sheet and throw them in the oven at 350 degrees until for 15 minutes until they release a little bit of liquid, and they're going to drain that liquid and set aside for now. Now, to prep, you're going to want to cut up 2 green onions and shred a 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese and a 1/4 cup of Romano cheese, and mince 3.5 ounces of cooked shrimp. Now, in a small bowl, you're going to combine the shrimp, 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs, 1/2 cup of cream cheese, the green onions, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, both the cheeses, a teaspoon of dried oregano, 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. And just mix those all together. Finally, you're just going to put all that mixture into your baked mushrooms and throw them in the oven, again still at 350, for 30 to 35 minutes until the filling is browned. They're best served warm. Enjoy. So these are like really good, like very, very good. I don't even know what to say. They're just, if you like mushrooms and you like cheese, you're gonna like these. They're rhymed. I highly recommend having them. And then have them again, why not? Just have them like twice. Right in a row. Make them one day and make them next. Why not? Anyway. Very good. 9.5 out of 10. Highly recommend. Yes.